Well, that was weird. But we're making slime. I already added in the glue and the baking soda, but the camera just turned off, and that's weird. So we're just gonna mix.
All 3 ingredients in?
Not yet. Okay, so the baking soda just makes it doesn't make it hard, but it makes it come together and it thickens it up a little bit. See, that's not regular glue. It gets a little chunky, but that's just because, that's more on my hands. That's just because of the baking soda. Okay, you can use saline. I think that's what it says. Saline solution for sensitive eyes. Or you can also use contact solution. So let's get that out of here. And the baking soda, because we already used that. Okay. 1/4 of a cup of the solution. And then, this is what makes it slime. You mix that all together, and I don't know how, but it just like, look at this.
That's what you want, isn't it?
Oh, it just splashed all over me. Okay, well, I'm just going to keep mixing this. And, well, we'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I mixed it all, and this is what it looks like so far. It is really rippy. It does not need... It smells weird. It does not need any more solution, unless like we add a bunch more baking soda, which we're going to do. But yeah, it won't need any more solution. Okay, so we are going to add, not the rest, like this is a lot of baking soda. You might only want to add half a cup because this is a lot. Just like maybe add a half a cup and like do a little bit at a time if you ever want to make some at home. It's really fun. Okay. So this is going well. I'm going to let you guys see it here in just a minute. I'm going to mix this really well and I'll be back. Okay, the vacuum's going. So if you can't hear me, I'm going to try to yell a little bit. Okay, so all I did was just mix this from when I added the baking soda. And it ended up like, yeah, we might need to add a little more solution. Okay, so we're just going to add that. Really, if you want, you don't really have to follow the directions. Like, that's actually how I made this one. I didn't do any directions. I just like, went from my own thing. Okay. What's look at that. I don't know what that is. Okay, this is actually starting to get a little better. I'm going to start playing with it with my hands a little. Okay.
How'd that one turn out?
Well...
That's good?
No, not
What do you think
really.
you did different?
I think I added a little too much baking soda.
So you think a cup was way too much? Because that's what it called for, though?
Yeah, that's what it said. I googled it, guys. That's what it said. It said a cup. We're going to add shaving cream. We'll just make more cloud slime. Eureka, we're out of shaving cream. Yeah, it's not turning out good. Well, if we keep mixing and this doesn't turn out good, I'll just tell you the directions for what I did for my other slime. That's not turning out very well. I'll work on it. But I'm going to wash my hands. I'll be right back. Working. Okay, I'm back. That was a total failure. But I will play with this one and you guys, and I'll tell you how I made this one because this one is awesome. It's cloud slime, but everyone loves cloud slime, right? Right. Okay, so how I made this one, that's just the air conditioner, don't worry. Okay, here, I'll do that here. I'll like put it really close up to you. Here, ready, listen. Hang on. Ready, listen. It just sounds so good. Okay, so how I made this one is, this is the one I didn't follow the directions on, but it worked out really good. So first I added a whole bottle, like I just did, whole bottle of the Elmer's glue. I added just like a little bit of the baking soda. I added a lot of solution, like a lot. And then I played with it with my hands for a little bit, and it was like really breaky. Here, I'm gonna try. It went like this. Oh, this is so sad. It went, and it broke. This one isn't breaky at all, but it broke. So I just looked on Google. Don't trust Google that much because that slime was a failure. And it said, make it flat, put a little hole in the exact middle. So, ew. So that was my hole. And then I had it in a bowl and I put lotion in it because that's what it said. This lotion. It is Hem's Vanilla Plum. Hydrate and smooth. Okay. And it worked. It made it stretchy. See, it went like that. It just broke. It made it stretchy. And soft, and I added a lot of sugar cream. That's why we're out. And then I just added green to it. Yeah. Well, I hope you liked the video. The slime turned out to be a fail. But, oh well. At least we have one. Bye-bye.